What's up, guys? So I'm here at a Walmart. I rarely come to this Walmart. You know, every once in a while they have something good, but like I said, it's pretty rare. They have this cool Matchbox 2015 Mercedes-Benz G550 in gold. This is pretty cool. I'm gonna take this one. As you can see, the pegs are empty, and this is not even worth looking through, guys. It's all old garbage. And they have these disappointing 36 packs over here. Nothing new for Matchbox. All these Matchbox working rigs are peg warmers. Adventure Force monster trucks. Some Monster Jam over here. And looks like all these monster trucks have been looked through, so I'm not even going to bother. Let's see. They have these Disney Pixar cars. Lightning McQueen and a few others. And it looks like they stocked up on the Fast and Furious, but I already have them. I don't need any more. So it looks like they have all of them except for the Nissan Skyline. And it looks like they stocked up on the green light. No Chase, apparently. Apparently somebody already took the Chase. This would be the Chase of this case. Here they have this cool 1989 Chevrolet S10. That's interesting. And here we have some of these Jada Toys Just Trucks. This one's pretty cool, the 2014 Jeep Wrangler in yellow. They have this cool 2002 Cadillac Escalade. This one's pretty cool. And they have another Jeep Wrangler over here. 2011 Ford F250 SVT Raptor. This one's very cool. Gonna take this one. 1955 Chevy Stepside. Ooh, this one's really cool. 1972 Cheyenne. I love the decals on this one. This one's really cool. Definitely gonna take this one. And let's see, what else do we have over here, guys? Ooh, nice. Looks like they have this pretty cool Mercedes-Benz diorama sets. Gonna take one of those. And they also have this one with the Porsches. Definitely gonna take one of those. And yeah, these are all the same. Alright, guys, looks like that's pretty much it. I'm gonna head on to another store. Catch you guys in a bit. What's up, guys? So I'm here at a Hobby Lobby. I haven't been to this particular Hobby Lobby in quite some time. So let's take a peek at what they have. Ooh, look at this. This is a 1970 Ford Mustang Box 302. This is really cool. I don't remember seeing this one before. I'm gonna take that one. And here we have this cool 1971 Dodge Charger RT. And you could customize the wheels on this one. Not bad. There's another one over there. And let's check this one out. This is the 1971 Plymouth Gtx in orange, black interior. Pretty cool. And this is the 1980 Chevy Monza Spider in yellow. It's interesting. Studebaker right there. Check this one out, guys. This one's pretty cool. It says it's been parked here since 1978. This is the 1970 Chevy Cheval Ss. Pretty cool. They have some of these farm vehicles. And here we have a Speed Racer. This is the Speed Racer Mach 5. Pretty cool. There's another one over here. Here we have the 1957 Chevrolet Sedan Delivery Gasser. This one's pretty cool. And these three are all the same. Let's see, what do we have over here? This is the 1967 Chevy Camaro Ss and the 1969 Chevy Camaro Ss. They're both pretty cool. I already picked this one up. This one is awesome, man. 1966 Dodge Charger Hemi. I love the colors on this one. I already picked them up last week, so it's gonna stay here. Here we have the Willys Jeep 2-pack. And here are two other ones. And here are some Jada Toys Just Trucks. Here's this cool 1991 Ford Mustang GT with Fox body. Very, very nice. I'm sure Mustang hunter would love this one. Very, very cool. Let's see. Here they have 1939 Chevrolet panel truck. And here we have the 1968 Ford Club Wagon. It's got the Airport Express shuttle tampo on the side there. It's got a tan interior. Very, very cool. And there's another panel truck. Let's see, what do we have over here? They have this cool 2018 Jeep Wrangler. Very nice. There's another one over there. And a third one over there. Let's see. Ooh, check this out, guys. This is the 1967 Chevrolet C30 Ram truck and the 1969 Chevrolet Camaro. So this one's really cool, guys. As you can see, it's rocking the shell decals. Very cool. I'm gonna set this aside for now. And here we have the 2019 step van. This one is representing the Georgia State Patrol Mobile Command. Check out this cool RV, guys. Very old school. It's 1972 Condor 2 RV. Nice. Here we have the 2020 Mack Granite dump truck. Very, very cool. And here is the 2018 International Workstar tanker truck. Not bad. And there's another dump truck. Really cool. Let's put these back. It's too bad they don't have that 40% off coupon anymore. And here's a 1943 Willys MB Jeep and the quarter-ton cargo trailer. 1940 Willys Jeep. Let's see. 1994 Jeep Wrangler. And there's another one over here. And what is this? This is a World War II M2 half-track. Huh. Interesting. Check this one out, guys. World War II Willys MB Jeep. Oh, this one's really cool. 1970 Plymouth Gtx Barracuda. I love this color. This is a navy. I'm gonna set it aside for now. There's another one here. And here's a 1981 Mercury Grand Marquis. Check this one out, guys. I've never seen this one before. This one's pretty cool. 1955 Chevrolet 210 Townsman. Nice. And here's another Jeep. And what do we have over here? 1978 Amc Matador Barracuda. Nice. Customize the wheels if you'd like. Very cool. Ooh, check this one out, guys. The 1968 Plymouth Gtx Custom. This one's really nice. Definitely gonna pick this one up. And what do we have over here? This is 1961 Chevrolet Corvette 263/315. Nice convertible there. And here we have this cool 1955 Chevrolet Sedan delivery with the Armor All livery. Not bad. And here we have this cool 1970 Dodge Challenger RT Hemi. This is a nice convertible. Very cool. Here we have some accessories with the Armor All decals. Not bad. Let's see. This is 1981 Dodge Diplomat in a vanilla color. There's a 2001 Ford Crown Victoria. And this one's pretty nice. This is the 2015 Ram 3500 dually crane truck. Nice. This one's really nice. Love the decals and everything. And here's another one. Oh, this one's pretty cool. I saw something similar to this one last week. Could be wrong. It's probably the same one, but for some reason this one looks a little different. This is a 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 dually service truck. And this one's representing the Illinois Tollway. Really digging the tampo work on this truck. Very cool. Very, very nice. Ooh, check out this one, guys. This is Dave Tucker's 1969 Chevrolet Camaro. Nice. This is pretty cool. And here's a cool classic Jeep. This is the 1970 Jeep Jeepster Commando pickup. And here we have a 2015 Ford Transit. And this one's representing the Indian Motorcycle Sales Department. Very cool. Here's another cool one. Here we have a 2019 Ford Transit. This is a first responder vehicle, guys. Very cool. Let's put this over here. G.I. Joe stuff. I'm in your face. That's for you, Mark. And here we have this cool Racing Champions 1932 Ford Coupe in yellow. And here they have this cool 1986 Chevrolet. Here's a 1970 Chevrolet K10. Not bad. This one I haven't seen before. This is a 1975 Ford F250. Interesting. And here we have the 1996 Ford F250 Bigfoot. Nice. I'm really digging the tampos on this one. Check this out, guys. This one's pretty nice. I might take this one, so I'm gonna set it aside for now. And this one's pretty cool. Gary Mills 1970 Chevrolet Camaro. Oh, nice. Look at this. This is really nice, guys. 2012 Chevrolet Camaro test car. Nice. Check out the wheel choice and everything. This one's really nice, man. Definitely gonna take this one for sure. And let's see. Let's put these guys back. Service bed stain. This stain. 1984 Jeep Wrangler. Okay, I think. Alright guys, let's see what they have down here. Check this out, guys. 1999 Acura with the Clue decals. This was pretty cool. I'm not digging the price. Look at this, man. It's $12.99 for this. I don't think so, man. It's cool and all, guys, but not for 13 bucks. Same thing with this one. I picked this one up at Target for like $4.99 or $5.99, something like that. So I think that's it for now, guys. So okay, so this one's nice and all, but 20 bucks? I don't think so, man. Like I said, if they had that 40% off coupon, I'd probably think about it, but it's gonna stay here for now. And here we have some slug bugs. Jada toys. Here we have this cool 1966 Volkswagen panel van. This one's adorable, man. This one is tiny, guys. 1968 Austin Mini Cooper. This one is small, man. It's really, really small. It looks bigger on camera, but off camera it looks a lot smaller. And here we have the 2015 Ram 1500. Let's see what else they have. They have some display cases here. And let's see what we have over here. Now this 2017 Jeep Wrangler. Pretty cool decals. And they have this one here. I found the Green Machine here about 2 or 3 months ago. It's the same model as this one, but it's a Green Machine. And they have this cool Maisto 1941 Willys with a Harley Davidson motorcycle tampo on the door there. Not bad. Pop this one back. They have this cool 1968 E100 panel van. Not bad. And here we have some muscle machines. Alright guys, let me put these guys over here. Alright guys, so let's see what they have on a larger scale here. They have this cool 2010 Ford Mustang Gt. I've seen this at Target and Walmart. This is really cool. Check this one out, guys. This is the 1957 Chevrolet 210 Hardtop. It's got the Marvel Mystery Oil decal on the door. Pretty cool. Check out the two-tone tire combination. It's got a black and red interior. It's got some pretty cool details. It's got the opening doors, opening hood. It's got some pretty cool details on the engine. Very nice. Check out the detail on the front, guys. Headlights, chrome grille, very cool. Let's see, what else do we have over here? We have another 1957 Chevrolet 210 hardtop, and we have over here. And here they have the 2011 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor. They have a 2008 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. And this 2008 Ford Crown Victoria, John Wick. Nice. There's another one over there. Here we have the classic TV series Batmobile and Batman. And here we have our friend Dom again. And these are all just a bunch of model kits, guys. Very, very cool. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You guys take care. Happy hunting. God bless. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Deuces.